If you own a swimming pool, you know preventive maintenance is one of the most important parts of pool ownership. But it also can be a big hassle. It takes a lot of time and effort to keep it completely clean, and even if you have a pool cleaner of some type, most of the cleaners out there will leave the surface with stuff floating around on it, or don't cover the stairs or the shelves, and so you're left scrubbing those on your own afterwards. You just end up spending a lot of time maintaining your pool instead of relaxing by the pool. Well, today I'm introducing you to the Beatbot Sora 70, brand new 4-in-1 pool cleaner. It covers every aspect of cleaning of your swimming pool, so you can spend more time just chilling beside it or diving in. Welcome to another edition of Eric's Pool Product Reviews. I am Eric, also known as Hollywood Frodo, and yes, today we're talking about this beast of a machine from Beatbot. This is the brand new 4-in-1 Sora 70. Now, let's face it, there's nothing worse than a dirty swimming pool, whether that's debris floating on the top, or bugs and leaves and sand that have settled to the bottom, or even worse, algae that's starting to take hold on the walls or the steps. And keeping your pool sparkling clean is a huge task and a lot of hard work. You end up getting a net and trying to fish stuff off the surface, or try to use that net to get stuff off the floor, which is almost impossible. Or you have to end up getting a brush and brushing the walls to keep the algae, and it's just a lot of hard work. The only real way to get the debris off the floor of your pool is to use some type of pool cleaner, but a lot of them have big bulky tubes that you have to try to connect to your system, or long cords that get in the way, or it's maybe a cordless pool robot, but it falls off tanning ledges and doesn't even do anything with your stairs, just completely ignores the stairs. So after that's done, you're still left scrubbing your pool, brushing things off, getting stuff that misses, and you end up spending a lot of time and effort just cleaning your pool. And when a lot of those robots are done, they're on the bottom of the pool floor. You got to get the big pole with a hook, and they're full of water and fish them out. So even if they help clean your pool, you end up, with a sore back from pulling the robot out of the swimming pool. The new Beatbot Sora 70 alleviates all of those issues. It picks up all the debris off the floor of your swimming pool. It scrubs the floors, the walls, the water lines. It even skims the surface of your pool to capture all the debris that's floating on the top, so that doesn't end up on the bottom of your pool. It really cleans everything. It also will clean stairs, tanning ledges, and Baja benches. So it covers every corner of your pool so that you don't have to do any of the work yourself. Yes, the Sora Beatbot 70 really does all of that stuff. And I know that is a lot of things that it's claiming to do. So we're going to take a deep dive into each one of those aspects so that you can hear about my real life experience with it, as well as see a lot of footage of this guy in action so you can see exactly how it works. Let's start with one of my favorite features, which is a feature that only the best pool robots have, and that's the surface cleaning feature. Yes, this operates as a pool skimmer. It goes around on the surface of your pool. It has a skimming system that opens up and swallows all that debris that's floating around. So leaves and bugs and things that float on the surface of your pool, it captures them before they're able to even get to the bottom of your pool, which helps keep your water nice and crystal clear. It also reduces the load on your pool filter system, which is great. The Sora 70 has this new JetPulse system, which is these jets that spray out, and it's supposed to help guide stuff into the skimmer system when it's cleaning the surface of the pool. It's a pretty innovative design that aims to kind of take pool skimming to the next level. Now, whether it always works or not, may be a little bit debatable. In my experience, as it's going along the pool, those jets sometimes help guide stuff in. Sometimes they kind of push stuff away that maybe otherwise would have gotten caught. However, after this was running in my pool for several hours skimming, everything was caught. So one way or another, it does catch everything. And there's another thing that I actually love about those jets, and that's if you have a pool, you know, like little flower petals or small leaves, things, they get wet and they stick to the sidewall of the pool, just above the water line. Well, your skimmer can't get them because they're not on the surface of the pool. They're stuck on the wall. But those jet sprays, as this gets close to the wall, those jet sprays hit the wall and help knock those little petals and things off the wall and onto the surface so that it then can skim them. And that's an awesome feature, because that's one of the things that I have not found anything that was able to clean those things off the wall. But with that JetPulse system, this is able to do it when it's surface cleaning, and that's a really awesome feature. Now let's talk about coverage, because one aspect that the Sora 70 excels at is cleaning every section of your pool. Not only is it cleaning the floors, the walls, the water line, it is the first pool robot I've ever used that actually cleans the stairs and the Baja shelves. One thing you need to know before I get into how this cleans my pool is that my pool is absolutely the most difficult type of pool to clean. It is completely freeform. It is not a rectangle. It is not round. It is not any particular shape. It is completely freeform. There are almost zero straight edges on my pool. Everything is a curve and rounded, and it's the most difficult. So if a pool robot does well in my pool, you can guarantee it's going to do great in yours. So this pool robot is able to clean the stairs in my pool. I've never had a pool robot climb up on the stairs before. Most of them get to the stairs, they maybe go up maybe one stair and that's it. This actually climbs up on my stairs and gets debris off my stairs. Not only that, but it's able to climb up one of my Baja shelves. I have a Baja shelf along the back edge of my pool, and it's a long kind of straight Baja shelf. It goes up, gets on top of the Baja shelf, turns, and then goes back and forth along the Baja shelf to scrub the Baja shelf and pick up debris that's sitting on that shelf. And I've never had a pool robot be able to do that before, so that's really awesome. Now the Sora 70 does not have like an AI mapping capability. It's not mapping out your pool. It's just using an algorithm. So it'll be most effective with a pool that is more rectangular. Again, mine is completely freeform. So in my situation, there's some spots it's going to get, a lot of times, and other spots it may only get once or twice. But it does get still every spot. Even in my pool, which is, again, very difficult. Now, I do have two Baja shelves in my pool, and while I did clean the back one, which is along the one straight wall in my pool, the other one is very, very curved, and it did not get up on top of that one and clean that one. Another thing that it didn't do is, even though it got up on the Baja shelf in the back and cleaned that Baja shelf itself and cleaned the stairs, it did not get the walls and the water line above the Baja shelf or the wall and the water line right above the stairs. But that being said, I will say this is a brand new robot, and I know Beatbot is dedicated to continually improving it with firmware updates. So my guess is there are going to be a few little things like that right now that will most likely be addressed in future firmware updates. So I have every confidence that probably in a few months, with a few more firmware updates, it'll be able to get those things as well. One thing I did notice about the Sora 70 is there's this, the curved corner of the Baja bench. It did get stuck on that. Eventually it got itself loose, but if you left it alone, if you didn't push it off of it yourself, it would stay there for like 10 minutes or so. So again, I think that's something that'll probably be fixed in a future firmware update, but just something to be aware of. If you have something, a corner edge like that, it can get a little bit stuck on there just for a few minutes. Now, another one of the things I do love about the Sora 70, and any great pool robot has to have this, is that it doesn't just pick up debris and stuff, it is scrubbing your floors. It has these great brushes on the front and back, and those are spinning, and they're scrubbing the floors, they're scrubbing the walls, they're scrubbing the water lines, your stairs, the Baja shelf, everywhere it goes, it is scrubbing, and that helps to make sure you're preventing any type of algae from attaching to your walls and growing. Very important to keep a clean pool is that scrubbing, which normally you'd have to do by yourself with a brush. But when you have a robot like this, you don't have to, because it's scrubbing the entire time it's cleaning, which is another great feature of it. Now, the Sora 70 is really a powerhouse of a machine. It has a 10,000 mAh battery inside of it, which means 5 hours of continuous floor cleaning in eco mode, or 7 hours of surface skimming, or just do everything: floors, walls, waterline, surface cleaning in one go for pools up to around 3,200 square feet. So it really can do it all with the power that's built inside of here. It also has a 6,800 gallons per hour capacity, so it is really strong and powerful when it's sucking debris and stuff up inside of it. It's going to be able to get the leaves on the bottom of your pool, the worms, which every time it rains I get worms on the bottom of my pool, disgusting. This is able to get all that stuff without any problem at all. And besides that, it has a hydro balance system built into it, which means that while it's using that strong power and that strong suction, it isn't affecting how well it climbs walls or Baja shelves or anything like that. It can do all of that and balance it all out without any issues at all, which is really awesome. And inside of here is a 6-liter capacity filter basket, so it's plenty big enough to hold everything while it's cleaning your pool. And the basket itself has a 150 micron filter system built into it that's going to grab all the sand, the bugs, the leaves, and that kind of stuff. But what's really cool is Beatbot offers an optional 3-micron filter that you can add onto it, which means that while it's cleaning your pool and picking up debris, it'll also be filtering all the fine debris, algae, spores, pollen, things like that out of your water, which is really awesome that they have that additional accessory that you can get to even make it more powerful. Now, I saved one of the coolest features of the Sora 70 for last, and that is the surface parking feature. This is really, really awesome. When it's done cleaning, whatever cleaning mode you've put it in, when it's done, it raises itself to the surface of the pool, just like a submarine rising from the depths, rises itself to the surface, and then parks itself along the edge of your pool. It empties out some of the water from the robot so that it's right there and easy for you to grab. Now, obviously it can't empty all the water out because it's still in the pool, but it empties a lot of it out. So instead of having to get a pole and fish it out of the bottom and it be full of water, especially because it has such a huge capacity, it's right there at the edge of your pool. You just walk over, just grab the handle and pull it out. Yes, it does still have water in it. It's not like this makes it featherweight, but it just makes it a lot easier and simpler because it's taking care of half of it for you. It's positioning itself for easy grab and emptying out a lot of the water before you even pull it out of the pool. So it makes it getting it out of the pool and cleaning it a breeze. Now, the Sora 70 also connects to the Beatbot app, and that's great because it lets you know what's happening with the robot and it lets you control any of the different modes. So you can have it just clean the floors, you can have it clean the floors, walls, and waterline, or just do skimming, or put it in pro mode and let it take care of everything. But you have full control to tell it exactly what you want it to do and how long you want it to run using the app. And when it's in the skimming mode, you can actually manually take over control if you want to and guide it, or you can hit the park button and have it park itself at the edge. So the app really just kind of enhances the ability for you to use it in the way that you need it. As you can see, this is a pool cleaner that can really take over all your pool cleaning tasks. So whereas before I'd have to spend a lot of time myself cleaning the pool, or I'd have to use like 3 different types of pool cleaners, robots, in order to do a lot of this stuff, now I can just let the Sora 70 take care of all of it. I have one machine that can do everything that needs to be done to keep my pool sparkling clean. So whereas before, you know, I loved my pool, but also often I would see it as like just a hassle and almost like another part-time job trying to maintain it. Now I can sit back, I can relax, I can enjoy the pool and let the Sora 70 take care of all the hard work. So who is the Sora 70 for? Honestly, I think it's for any pool owner who wants a set it and forget it all-in-one pool robot cleaner. As I mentioned, my pool is one of the absolute most difficult designs of a pool for a pool robot to clean. And it's done an excellent job cleaning my pool. It's made my job a lot easier. If it can do that for me and my pool, then it can definitely do that for you and yours. So maybe you have a pool guy, but it's expensive, and also just a once a week cleaning isn't doing enough to keep your pool constantly clean. Or you're like me, you do all your pool maintenance yourself, and it's a lot of hard work. You're spending more time cleaning your pool than you are enjoying your pool. You could have the Sora 70 run as a skimmer 3 days a week, 7 hours every day, keeping all the debris off the surface of your pool, and then every 4th day you run it in pro mode, let it clean the floors, the walls, the water lines, the stairs, your tanning ledges, all that stuff, and keep your pool always beautifully sparkling clean without you having to do anything. It truly is the most powerful and full-featured robot cleaner I have ever come across. So the Beatbot Sora 70 is definitely a pool robot cleaner that I would highly recommend. If you are interested in purchasing the Beatbot Sora 70, I will have some affiliate links in the video description below, as well as possibly some coupon codes, so be sure to check those out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future pool product reviews. If you have any questions about the Sora 70, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and enjoy swimming.